Okay, so we have here. So this is we have review. Okay, and development 25. So now we have reservations, resident, book means I will book the hotel. Confusion, it means you are confused. Feedback,
Teacher, we are done this.
we're done with unit 25.
Yes.
Okay, this is review. Okay, that one, review. Everything is review. Are we done?
Yes, we done this.
Okay, wait, huh? So it means we are now in unit 26. No. There's no unit 26, 27. Hold on. Okay, just 1 minute tayo. Wait me to, no 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, so we are talking here about personality. Okay, so in unit 27, we talk about vocabulary, personality. So we have different personality. First is cheerful. Are you cheerful?
Teacher,
Uh,
we are done this.
this one too?
Yes. Personality.
Oh,
We are done this.
wait, ano ha? Why it's not kasi nabaling-baling ko. And this one, please try. 28, about gadgets. How about this one? Ay, naku, Lord. Okay, this one, gadgets. Are we done? Huh?
Oh,
Not
okay.
yet.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so we're talking about gadgets. Okay, so we have here different gadgets. We have computer, laptop, printer, digital camera, router, headphones, hard drive, microphone, webcam, MP3 player, mouse, diskette, USB stick, and memory card. So these are the different gadgets. Okay, so mostly, what gadgets do you use, Tono?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so computer, printer, digital camera, and router, headphones, these are common. So from all of this, what did you use, Tono?
I use laptop.
Okay, you use laptop.
And sometimes I use handphones.
Okay, headphones. Sometimes you use headphones. Okay. Like here. So hard drive, it's Kong. Okay. Microphone, micro, webcam, mouse, diskette, and USB stick. Actually, nowadays, we rarely used diskette. Okay, diskette is not actually being used here. So that's not that common. But the diskette is not common. Okay. So we have here functions. Okay, look at this. We have tasks. Okay. Completing the consumer information card about your own computer. Okay, let us have this, ha? Okay. So please try to check. Okay. Try to check this information card about computer. Okay, I use computer. You try to check on here.
Okay.
Okay, I will raise above. Okay, try to check. Hmm. Sige po ni, hindi ko makagpalit ang atsal. Sige ra, mukha anak saway ko. Okay?
Okay.
So I use computer for fun. I use computer to surf the internet. Correct. I spend long hours a week in the computer. How many hours a week? It's 0 to 10. Okay. Compared to other people I know, I don't spend nearly as much time as computer they do. Okay. So you don't need or you don't spend much time. People come to me for help when they have computer trouble. Okay. So people come to me. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Listen to the people talk about how they use their computer. Check each person's activity. Again, listen to the people talk about how they use their computers. Check each person activity. Okay, ready?
Page 104. Exercise B. Listening comprehension. Listen to the people talk about how they use their computers. Check each person's activities. 1. Dave Grant.
I'm kind of a computer addict, actually. I probably spend about 6 hours a day surfing the internet to find interesting websites. And I've joined all kinds of chat rooms, so I spend a lot of time, well, chatting on them as well. And thank goodness for instant messaging. I send instant messages to a lot of people. It's a great way to keep in touch.
Two. Cecilia Rivas.
Lately, I've been pretty busy. Last year, I created my own website to keep in touch with my family. This is a first for me. Anyway, it's been a lot of work. You wouldn't believe it. So I've been scanning tons of photographs onto the website. I've got photos of my family, photos of my friends, photos of my classmates, you name it. I used to surf the internet all the time, but I don't have time for that anymore.
Three. Michael Teo.
I'm the kind of person who sends a few emails once in a while. I surf the internet a little, but not for very long. Mainly, I just use my computer to write. I use it for work and I use it for my personal life. I'd love to join a chat room, but who's got the time?
Four. Isabel Duar.
Well, I'm a big music fan, so I've been using my computer for a while now to download music files. I'm not sure if it's legal, but everyone's doing it. Yesterday, my sister sent me an attachment. It was a song we both love, and it took forever to download it. It was a big file, but when I listened to it on my headset, it was just great.
Now listen again and check your work. 1. Dave Grant.
I'm kind of a computer addict, actually. I probably spend about 6 hours a day surfing the internet to find interesting websites. And I've joined all kinds of chat rooms, so I spend a lot of time, well, chatting on them as well. And thank goodness for instant messaging. I send instant messages to a lot of people. It's a great way to keep in touch.
2. Cecilia Rivas.
Lately, I've been pretty busy. Last year, I created my own website to keep in touch with my family. This is a first for me. Anyway, it's been a lot of work. You wouldn't believe it. So I've been scanning tons of photographs onto the website. I've got photos of my family, photos of my friends, photos of my classmates, you name it. I used to surf the internet all the time, but I don't have time for that anymore.
Three. Michael Teo.
I'm the kind of person who sends a few emails once in a while. I surf the internet a little, but not for very long. Mainly, I just use my computer to write. I use it for work and I use it for my personal life. I'd love to join a chat room, but who's got the time?
4. Isabel Duar.
Well, I'm a big music fan, so I've been using my computer for a while now to download music files. I'm not sure if it's legal, but everyone's doing it. Yesterday, my sister sent me an attachment. It was a song we both love, and it took forever to download it. It was a big file, but when I listened to it on my headset, it was just great.
Happiness teacher.
Okay. Listen to the people talk about how they use their computers. You check each person's activity. Okay, first, surf the net. Okay, it is Dave Grant. He sent messages. Okay. Scans pictures, it's Cecilia Rivas. Who else? Okay, Michael To. Okay, surf the internet too. Else, okay. So download files, it's Isabel Diwar. Okay, so these are the activity of the people, each person's activity. So we have 4. This is what we are doing. What is the function of each electronic device? Wait, okay, so this one. What are the function of each? Can you tell me?
Is a computer. You-
Computer.
Is take
Mm-mm.
the mouse,
The mouse.
phones, handphones, and what's that, teacher?
Okay, what's this? Router. This is router. We call it router. Computer, mouse, what's this? It is
USB stick,
a USB stick, and this one?
handphone.
Okay, headphone. Okay, very good. Okay, I will ask and please answer questions. Okay.
Okay.
How often do you use internet, Tono? How often do you use internet?
I use every day because I have to I think internet help me in the study, and I have for fun in there.
Okay. So actually nowadays internet is very useful, right? We use internet most of our activity when we try to have homework, we use internet. When we try to contact with a friend, we use internet. So internet is very common nowadays. Okay. Now, do you own a computer? If so, how often do you use it and what are the purposes?
No, because I don't use computer, but I use laptop. But this laptop is my family, and when I use it when I have lesson or want to do for fun and listen to music.
Okay, you're listening to music. Okay, so of course, sometimes we want to listen to music. We want to watch something in the computer or in the laptop. Okay, so now, do you think we need to know much about computer? Do you think, Tono, that computer is very important? Do you think that we need to know more about computer?
Yes, because we need to know what's computer, because when if the computer has a problem, we can fix this, and or take time to people fix time. And we know much about computer to use safe and not a problem.
Okay. Now, what is the most impactful piece of technology in our lives? Okay, what do you think is the most impactful piece of technology in our life?
I don't know, but I think it's email and map.
Okay, it is
email, and map.
So I guess the most impactful piece of technology is internet, right? Internet nowadays. Okay, so we can have email, we can have chat, we can surf, okay, anything we want, we can do it. Okay, so that's very important. Wait, we don't know.
Okay.
Now, how computers affect our everyday life, Tono? What do you think? How computers affect our everyday life?
I think can you give me the example?
Okay, like example, today now computers, we are talking about internet, we're talking about technology. Okay, so how does this, because when of course when we use internet, I mean when we use technology, we use computer. So how do you think these affect our everyday life? How do you think these affect our everyday life?
Affect computer everyday life. Let me see.
Hmm?
I think it's about we help when we use a computer to merge and affect our eyes.
Okay, so how does it affect your life? Okay, we're using computers nowadays. How does it affect our life? First, for me, first, using computer can make things easier. Okay, because nowadays, I don't need to write. I have to write it in the computer because I need to check email. Okay, what else?
I think we use computer to affect at ours our
Hmm.
our health.
Okay, so but sometimes, of course, it affect our health. Okay, it affect our health and it's not good anymore. Okay, sometimes we use computer and then after that one we get sick because we don't have enough sleep. Okay, so most likely that's common.
Okay.
Okay, so discuss about the benefits of the internet. Okay, in the chat box, Tono, please write here advantages. You know advantages? Do you know what is advantages? Advantages, it means how internet makes you happy or makes you okay. Okay, what are the good things that internet gives you? Disadvantage, what are the bad things that internet gives you? Okay, you can write at least 4 advantages and 4 disadvantages. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, you tell me afterwards, you tell me if you're done. Just write in the chat box advantages, good things, disadvantages, bad things.
Okay.
I haven't turned anything.
I finished, teacher.
Okay. So we have here, okay, advantages. Very good. Tono, it helps our life. Okay, favorable, make for fun. It helps for study. So those are the different advantages when we talk about computer and internet. Okay, so it can help our life. It becomes favorable because we can do anything for that. It makes us fun. And then another, we can know the news of the world. And how about disadvantages? What are the bad things? If we use it too much, it will affect our health, especially our eyes. And that's why most likely we will gonna have to have this eyeglasses. Okay, we will illusion. If you use too much, what do you mean by illusion? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by the word illusion? Tono.
I'm thinking about fails or internet. I think in some case, use the cell phone and watch had YouTube talks too much and the kid is a very very
Very
busy,
what?
is very rude.
So sometimes, okay,
Sometimes
we try to illusions. Okay, so this will be. So we have imaginary. Okay, is that what you mean? It affect our spine and neck. Why do you think it affect our spine and neck? Because
because its effect or health or spineless or eyes, and I think is it make our brain tired.
okay, it makes your brain tired. Okay. Of course. So when we try to sit in like this, then I'm not sitting comfortably. So it will damage always my neck if I will do like that always. I mean my spine and then also my neck will get hurt. So you are correct that when you use, so these are some disadvantages when we use internet always. Okay. So other than that also, we can in the internet there are many what they call that one, many posts, many videos that are quite not good. Okay, sometimes we can see that and then it becomes visible to everyone, so it's not good. So that's why you don't need to click everything that what is shown in the Facebook or in the internet because it's not good at all. Okay, so we might be hacker. We try to put comments and it's not good at all. Okay.
Okay,
Yes. Okay, Tono, I will see you tomorrow, 7 a.m. Okay?
7 p.m.
PM. Not, wait,
Yes.
wait. Tono.
I said wrong messenger, sorry.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What is our schedule? Teacher and is quite confused now with the schedule. Okay. What will be our schedule? Your schedule is Friday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday, 7 p.m. and Saturday, 8 p.m.
Saturday, 8 p.m. Saturday, 8 p.m. How about morning? You don't like morning and Saturday?
Morning, I have English lessons.
Okay, so 8 p.m. Saturday, Sunday 8 p.m. and Friday.
Friday, 7 p.m.
Okay, so I will see you tomorrow 8 p.m. Okay, so sorry Tono, teacher, I'm really confused. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you so much, Tono. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, enjoy your weekend. Today you don't have class, so you have to enjoy. Okay? Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.